I am. I am
I am
fine.
fine.
Very good. What is that on your dress, Prajesh? Is that a button or design?
Square.
Squares?
Square.
Squares, okay. What about the other side? What shape is that? Look. What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very nice. Good. Okay. Now, Prajesh, I'm going to quickly ask you a question. Will you help me?
Yes. Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nukshita. Can you read the numbers here, Prajesh?
Uh, 6-1.
No, 1-6.
1-6.
Good morning, Raghavan. Good morning, Vibhan. 1-6.
1-6-60.
Good morning, Vibhan. Have a great day. 1-7.
7-17.
1-8.
1-8-18.
Very good. Okay, 1-8-18. Okay, now tell me what is before 17? What is before 17?
18.
Before. Minadi, before.
18.
Before, Minadi.
90.
Huh?
சொல்லு.
What is this?
கரெக்டா சொல்லு.
1-6.
1-6 is what?
6-1.
1-6 is correct. What is 1-6? 1-6, 16.
1-6-16.
What is after 17? After 17?
After 17,
Mm.
18.
Very good. 1-8-18. Okay.
1-8-18.
Okay. Thank you, Prajesh.
Good morning, Radhamma. Have a good day.
Good morning, Dhanvin. How are you now?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. Have a good day. What is that you're showing me? What is that on your dress?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, let me come back from down. Good morning, Vivan. Why were you absent yesterday, Vivan? Were you absent yesterday?
Yes.
Why?
Why are you absent yesterday first?
No.
Tell to ma'am.
You told me yes. You were present yesterday or absent yesterday?
Absent. Absent.
Absent?
You were
Yes.
present yesterday. You were present.
I am present.
You were.
Yeah, yesterday you told me that the mouse was absent today. You were present yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good morning, Irene. How are you, Irene? You're fine. Okay. Good morning, Nitila.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Nitila?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You're fine. Okay.
Good morning. Good morning.
No, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Rohita.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Rohita?
Fine.
You're fine now? Okay. Good morning, Satvika. Good morning, Siddharth. Good morning, Neha.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Radha, ma'am.
Good morning. Neha, did you say hi to all your friends? Can you say hi to your friends?
Hi, friends.
Whom you want to call and say hi? Whom do you want to call?
Ivan.
Vivan. Okay, call Vivan and say hi. Good morning, Naitik.
Hi, Ivan. Oh, Udita.
She is Neha.
Neha. Hi, Kalyani.
Hi.
Hi, Neha. Hi. Hi.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Vishank.
Good morning, Radha ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Pranita. Good morning, Dev. Krish. At a time, I think so many of them have joined now.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Farnas. Good morning, Janavi. Okay, we'll start. Come on, Kitsiantam.
How are you?
I am absolutely fine. Thank you. How are you, Pranita?
I'm fine. Eat your breakfast.
I had my breakfast. Thank you for asking. Okay, let's start. Let me ask
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita, we are going to say Kidzi anthem. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to sit properly, listen to ma'am, and say repeat after me. You're going to repeat after me. Okay? Understood? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, everybody, please sit straight. Please sit straight. Have your hands on your chest. Close your eyes. Good. Farnas is ready. What about Vishank? Dev Krish is ready. Nukshita is ready. Janavi, Aiden, Vishank, close your eyes. Okay, come on, Nukshita. Kidzi anthem.
Kids anthem.
You are within me.
What the night?
You are infinite.
What the night?
Sorry, Aiden, please stay on mute, Aiden. Thank you. You are within me.
What I mean?
You are infinite.
You are on the night.
You are unique.
You are on neck.
My potential inside.
Mine person inside.
You are the wind
You are the wind.
beneath my flight.
Beneath my night.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My person inside.
Today I pledge
Today I pledge
with all my might.
mine.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My person inside.
A big good morning to all our friends.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Nukshita. Very well done. Big marks for Nukshita. Very nice, Nukshita. You listened to me and you said along with me repeating so that everybody can hear your voice too. Well done, Nukshita. Very good. Okay. So next, ready for the warm up? Yes, I want Janavi. Janavi. Yes, can you count from 10, reverse counting 10, 9, 8, 7? Yes? Okay. So everybody please stand up. Please stand up, everyone. Okay. Janavi is going to count from 10. I want all of you to get ready. Come on, Janavi, start.
10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
0.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with Jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy.
Ashni.
So happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
Okay, come back to your place. Very nice. Janavi, wonderfully you danced, Janavi. Very nice. Please get on from the cycle, please. Come on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Hashni, very nice. Hashni, I can see what, I don't know about others. When I just saw in the screen, few of you, Hashni was doing the correct step for the last, na. Very nice, Hashni.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with attendance. Like yesterday, very fast we're going to go. If somebody is absent, yesterday we didn't say. Today I want all of you to say, the mouse is absent today. Ready? Okay, Aiden. Aiden. Devarakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Hearing. Ma'am.
Ma'am. Koi.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Aiden. Devarakshita.
Hearing.
Okay, good. Very good. Devkrish. Very good. Good morning, Devarakshita. Can you wave your hands? Yeah, good. Good, Devkrish. Danvin. Pray. Okay. Dhruv. Very good, Dhruv. Good morning. I didn't see you. I'm just noticing. Hi, Dhruv. Good morning.
Hi.
Farnas.
Mouse is present today, ma'am.
Okay, Moses present today. Here I am. Okay. Hashini.
Here I am, roly up.
Okay. Iron.
मुझे बार बार मैं नहीं उठा सकती, बार बार क्यों उठा रहे हो तो?
Here I am.
आप इसको यहाँ रखी, मैं नहीं रखती, यहाँ रखती, जब स्टार्ट होगा तभी आप देखो अपनी क्लास।
Janavi.
Here I am, yo.
Very good. Karthikeyan. Absent. Karthikeyan is absent.
Today.
The mouse absent today. Kaviyarini.
Here I am, ma'am. Mouse is present
Mouse
today.
is present today. Okay. Dhruv, can you put your mics on mute, Dhruv, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Dhruv. Naitik.
Here I am, ma'am. Lion is present today.
Okay, present. You got your haircut, Naitik?
Yes.
Okay, Neha.
Here I am, roly.
Very good, Neha. Nitila.
Here I am, roly.
Good, Nitila. Nukshita. Nukshita. Prajesh.
Here I am, ma'am. Roly poly up. Here I am, roly poly down.
Okay, good. Okay, Pranita.
Mouse is present today.
Okay. Rohita.
Here I am, yo.
Okay, Rohita. Satvika. Okay. Sailesh.
The mouse is absent today.
Yeah.
Mouse is absent today.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Siddharth.
No. The mouse is present today.
Okay. Before that, I want you to say, here I am. Okay? Here I am.
Here I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tejas. Aiden, please put your mics on mute, Aiden.
Yeah, my voice. I think my mic is put here. Nikana. Ona oliya nikkichirka.
Tejas. Here I am. Here I am.
Bolo. He is not speaking at all.
Can you say good morning, Tejas? Good morning, Bolo.
Good morning. जोर से बोलो. अरे जोर से बोलो. Good morning.
1, 2, 2. 1, 2. Very good. Let's all give a big round of clap for Tejas. Very good, Tejas. A big marshmallow for Tejas. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Karnika.
Hooray!
Okay. Vihan.
Ma'am,
Here I am today.
Okay, Vihan, why were you absent yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you absent yesterday?
Madam, like we came to hometown on medical emergency, so
Okay. Vishank.
Here I am, ma'am. Roly-poly up, roly-poly down.
Okay. Vivan.
Here I am. Viman box is absent.
No, then tomorrow I'll ask you again. Where you absent yesterday? The Vivan mouse is present today. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Zedi.
Here I am, ma'am. Roly-poly up, roly-poly down. Hooray!
Okay, all done. Thank you so much. Okay. So now let's spin the wheel. Who's that?
Jade saying thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome, Zedi. Okay. So we are going to start with spinning the wheel, and we are going to read a story about the animals which we saw yesterday. So quickly we are going to spin the wheel. Okay. Kavya, remember the word I taught you yesterday. Who else remember the word? Can anybody raise your hand and tell me what words did we? Yes.
I.
Okay.
V-R-E.
Okay.
E-E-V.
We learned this together.
We all.
We learned that we all. Nice, Pranita. Okay, now let's spin the wheel. Yes, very good. Very good, Dhruv. Okay, let's spin the wheel and check who is going to read today. Ready? 1, 2.
Yes, continue.
Avialni.
Yeah, Kavyani, I'm so happy you got this today. Okay. So let's revise, Kavyani. What is this word?
W.
One more time, dear. Your voice was breaking. I can't hear you. You're on mute.
W-E-V.
Very good. Okay. We are going to learn this today. Okay. T-O-2.
T-O-2.
We know one more word with twos. What is that spelling? What is that spelling?
T-W.
O. T-W-O. So T-O is also 2. T-W-O is also 2. Okay. T-W-O2 is the number 2. This one, go to the park, go to the beach, that too, TO2. So this also sounds like two. TO is also two, TWO is also two. So what is this TO? TO, TO2. Okay.
G-O, go.
Very good. G-O, go. G-O, go. Very good, Kavyani. Big rocket for Kavyani. Stop and clap. Good, Kavyani. Okay. Thank you so much. Very good. Next, we are going to see, let's see who is going to read the words today.
Satvika.
Satvika. Okay, Satvika. Come on, we'll read. Okay. Satvika, you remember this word?
Number.
What is that?
H-E-G.
He. He. We read during the term exam also. What do you mean by he? H-E, he. When you talk about a boy, we will say
E.
he. H-E, he.
H-E-E. A-L-L. All.
Very good. A-L-L, all. So let's revise, Satvika, all the words.
A-L-L-O. A-L-L.
What is this?
A-L-L.
Correct. Tell me. You know that. Tell me.
All.
All. Very good.
T-O. Go.
Go. Very good.
T-O. Two.
Two. Very good.
W-E-V.
Very nice. And the last one.
H-E. E.
He. Wonderful. A big rocket for Satvika. Very nice. Shh. Rocket clap for Satvika. Thank you. So now let's all revise together. I want all of you to say along with me. Okay? H-H-E, he. H-E, he. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. G-O, go. G-O, go. T-O, two. T-O, 2. The number name spelling is T-W-O, 2. Fourth number 2. Okay. This is 2. This is also sounds like 2. T-O, 2. W-E. We. W-E. What is sound of W? W. So W is we. It's not V. It's we. We are watching this video. We. Okay. W-E. We. Okay. So rest of the words we'll start with tomorrow. So what quick recap. Dhruv, can you help me? What did we learn yesterday, Dhruv? What did we learn yesterday? Dhruv?
Wild animal.
Domestic animals. Yes? Okay, we learned wild animals and domestic animals. Okay. And what else? What else did we learn yesterday? Anybody?
Domestic animal.
Okay.
Answer.
Who's saying question and answer? Yes. Very good. We learned about punctuations. When we have a question.
Punctuation, ma'am.
Yes, punctuations. Very good.
Question answer.
Yes, question answer. Correct, Harshini.
My pencil.
Yes. That's your pencil.
Thanks, ma'am.
Very good, Janavi. We learned a new rhyme. This is my pencil. Pencil rhyme.
Answer.
Yes, question and answer. Devkrish, can you tell me, Devkrish, if there is a question, what is your name? Will you put a dot or will you put a question mark? What is your name? Is that a question or answer?
Question mark.
Very good. What is your name is a question. So we will put a question mark. Okay. Divan. Divan.
Pick up.
I like the ball. Is it an answer or question?
Answer. Okay.
So full stop or question mark? I like the ball. It's an answer. So will I put a question mark or dot? Full stop. Dot. Good. Nitila. How are you? Is it a question or answer? How are you?
Question.
Question. So what will you put? Dot or question mark?
Question mark.
Very good, Nitila. Good. Farnas.
Yes, ma'am.
I like chocolates. Is it a question or answer?
Question answer.
I like chocolates.
Answer.
Answer. So dot, full stop or question mark?
Question mark.
Question mark. I like chocolates. Am I asking a question? I'm saying an answer. So answer, full stop. Do you like chocolates? That's a question. Then question mark. If it's a question, question mark. If it's an answer, dot. I like chocolates. It's an answer. So dot. Are you clear, Farnas? Are you
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Are you clear? It's a question. Then I will put a question mark. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
no?
Sorry.
Yes. Okay. You don't have to feel sorry for that. It's just learning. Okay? Don't say sorry for that. Neha. Where were you, Neha? Where were you? Is it a question or answer?
Question answer. Correct.
Where are you?
Correct.
Question.
Question. So we'll put a question mark or dot?
Question mark.
Question mark.
Question mark. Who is helping you? Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I like blue color. Is it an answer or question? I like blue color.
Answer.
Answer. So we'll put a question mark or dot?
Dot.
Dot. Okay. Iron.
Ma'am.
What are you doing? Is it a question or answer? What are you doing?
Ma'am.
Question. So what you will put, dot or question mark?
Question.
Very good. We'll mark a question mark. Okay. Zedi.
Please go.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name? Is it a question or answer?
Question.
So we'll put a question mark or dot?
Question mark.
Question mark. Okay, good. Siddharth. Siddharth? I can't hear you. I like apples. It's a question or answer, Siddharth? I like apples. I can't hear you, dear. Prajesh?
Yes, Yes, ma'am.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Is it a question or answer?
Question.
So what you will put, question mark or dot? Question mark or dot? What is that? Yes, that's a question mark. What is that called? Question mark.
Question mark.
Very good, Prajesh. Okay. So let's start. Yesterday we learnt about wild animals, domestic animals. Then we learnt about the punctuation marks. When it's a question, the sentence comes with a question, we'll put a question mark. If it's with an answer, we'll put a dot. Full stop. Okay. So we are going to read a story on the animals today and get a better understanding about wild animals and domestic animals. Are you ready to read the story with me? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, Prajesh, let's read. Come on. Okay.
Ready.
Yes, ready. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Dinky. Dinky. I want all of you to stay on mute. Only then we can hear. Pranita, I'll ask you a question. I missed you. I'll ask you a question now in the story. Okay? Listen to the story. So in this story, we have a donkey. The donkey's friends. Okay? So this donkey name is Dinky. What's the name of this donkey? Dinky. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Dinky. He was very hardworking and worked day and night carrying load from one place to another. So as I said yesterday, the donkeys are used to carry lots and lots of luggages, loads on their back. See, it's carrying, it's very hard working. It's not lazy at all. I will work, I'll work, I'll work. It's very hard working. So the donkey was carrying the lots of loads from morning till night. And what happened? One day, while carrying the load from one place to another, he thought to himself, I carried loads day and night all alone. I have no one to talk to. I wish I had my friends with me. He thought of his two best friends, Canny the camel and Yankee the yak. Okay, so donkey's friends are camel, Canny. What is the name of the camel? Canny and camel and yak. Okay, so Dinky, Canny, Yaki the yak. These three people are friends. Okay, so donkey's best friend are Yaki the yak and Canny the camel. So he was carrying the luggage all alone. He didn't have any friends nearby to talk. So he's thinking, if I have my friends nearby, I'll talk with them nicely. So what did he do? Dinky's friend, Canny the camel, lived in desert. So where does camel live? Camel lives in desert. Where is full of sand. Okay, so the camel lives in the desert and yak. Pranita, where is the yak living, Pranita? Where is the yak? Huh? What is there? Snow. There's a lot of snow. So, yes. Camel lives in desert and he too carried lots and loads of loads from one place to another. She would provide milk and her hair too was very useful for people in the desert. So what does camel do? Camel will carry the luggages like donkey. Somebody has unmuted. Who is that? Okay. And camel milk is also used for drinking for people in desert. Okay. So camel gives milk and it is useful for carrying this lots and lots of load. Okay. Then Dinky's friend Yankee lived in mountains. Yankee lived in mountains. He also, what did he do? He carried lot of loads on his back. See, he is also carrying lot of loads on its back, and he also provided milk and thick wool to the people in mountain. Okay, so all these three people are friends. Who are the three friends, Farnas? Who are the three friends?
Camel, donkey, yak.
Very good. Camel, donkey, and yak. Okay. And what you know, one day, Dinky decided to call his friends. How do you call your friend? How do you talk to your friend? Anybody, how do you talk to your friend? When you want to talk to one of your friend, what do you do? What do you do?
Hi, Hashni.
No, if they're not coming to the class, what will you do? What will you do?
Mobile phone.
Yeah, we will call by phone. So Dinky the donkey is going to a telephone booth and calling his friends Camel and Yak. So he's saying tring 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 tring. He's calling his friends. So he's saying, don't stay in desert, Camel, Canny. Don't stay in mountain. Come, I'm in grassland. Come to my place. So Canny agreed to come to a place where there is lot of water in the grassland. So see, Canny is dreaming, oh, I will go to donkey's place. There'll be lot of water. There'll be grass everywhere. And Yankee said, even I am very tired here in mountain, walking on the snow. I will also come to grassland. So what happened next? Dinky was very happy to see both his friends. Okay, they saw fresh green grass, they saw water. Camel, see, he's drinking lot of water. Why? In desert, there is no much water there. So he was very thirsty. When he came to the place where there is lot of green grass, there is water, Camel was very happy. Okay, he got lot of water. And Yankee, in mountain, there is no grass. Here in grassland, there is full of grasses. He started eating lot of grasses. Do you see? What is Rohita? What is Yak doing?
Yaki. Eating the grass.
Eating the grass. Yak is eating the grass. So after, you know what happened? There is no grass for donkey at all. See? Next day, all three of them went to work. Cammy had a padded feet. He was not able to walk in the grass because he can walk only on the sand in desert. So he fell down. Yeah. Yankee had lot of wool on his body, you know. It's very, Rohita, please mute Rohita. Your mic, please. There is a lot of sun in grassland. So, Rohita, please,
I'm not supporting Rohita.
Rohita, please put your mic on mute. Thank you. So there is lot of sun. So Yak started feeling sweating, very hot, because he was in mountain and snow region. Now he started to sweat. He says, no, I want to go. So what happened? Now all the three of them realized, I can walk only in desert. So what did Camel do? He said tata bye-bye to donkey and he went back to desert. Yak, I can stay only in snow region. In this hot grass, I cannot stay. It's very hot now. So I will go to mountain. So Yak went to mountain back and he started walking on the snow. He felt so happy. And donkey is all alone again in the grassland. And he's carrying lots and lots of loads. So these three are these wild animals or domestic animals?
Domestic animal.
Very good. All the three are domestic animals. Okay. So did you like the story? Yes, Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tarnika, who are there in the story? Can you tell me the characters in the story?
Donkey, camel,
camel, yak. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
where is a donkey? Where is a donkey? In desert or mountain or grassland?
Grassland.
Grassland. Okay. Vivan, where is a camel? Mountain region or desert region? Vivan.
Here with desert on it. It's on
Desert. Desert. Okay. Vishank. Where is a yak? In mountain, grassland, or desert?
mountain.
Mountain. Okay. Good. So I've got some more cards to show you. Nitila. What is this, Nitila?
அது என்னது இது என்னதுடா பஃபலோ
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Buffalo is a domestic animal or wild animal?
Domestic animal.
Very good. Domestic animal. Okay. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? What is this bird?
Turkey.
Turkey. Can you please spell it for turkey?
Turkey.
Very good. Turkey. Good. Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
Goose.
Goose.
G.
Goose. Goose.
Very good. Goose is a domestic or wild animal, Naitik?
இல்லடானா
Domestic.
Yesterday we circled domestic. Very good. Neha.
Wild animal.
Wild animal. What is this animal? Correct. It's a wild animal. Hyena.
Hyena.
H.
Hyena.
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 Vivan. Vivan.
Panda.
Panda. Okay. Thank you. Vihan. Vihan.
Panda.
Panda. Can you read the spelling?
Panda, ma'am.
Panda. Very good. Satvika. Cola.
Cola.
A. Cola. Good. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am. Monkey.
This is bigger monkey. It's called chimpanzee. What is this called?
Chimpanzee.
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 Okay, come on, read the spelling. C.
C.
H.
H.
I.
I.
M.
M.
P.
E.
P. P. A.
A.
N.
N.
Z.
Z.
E. E.
E. E.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Okay. Tarnika.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Can you read the spelling?
Gorilla. Gorilla.
Very good. Rohita.
White panda.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this animal?
Yes.
Deer. Deer.
What?
Deer. Deer.
Me.
Okay. Dhruv.
पढ़ो स्पेलिंग करो
D. D. E. E. R.
Very good. Deer. Devkrish.
Ma'am. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
Very good. Devrakshita.
सेम सब
Kangaroo.
Okay.
Kangaroo.
Correct. Kangaroo. Correct. K.
K.
Hmm. A.
K.
N.
N.
G.
G.
A.
O.
ये
A. R.
R.
O.
O.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Very good. Okay. Kavya, any?
चार्ज लो वर्क அதாவது கேமரா வரல
Yes, ma'am.
இல்ல சார்ஜ் இல்ல
Lion.
L.
Lion. Lion.
Very good. Iron.
Elephant, ma'am.
Very good. Read the spelling for elephant.
Appa, anda appeche.
E. L. E. P. H. A. A. N. T. Elephant. Elephant. Okay, so now we'll start the worksheet. Can you all please take out your worksheet SR D57 CT worksheet. I'll share the worksheet now. The first one, Aiden is going to help me. Aiden, please get ready. Come on, take out your worksheet. SR D57 CT worksheet.
What, ma'am?
Aiden, did you find the worksheet?
Yes, please.
Yes.
You did? Okay, come on, please write today's date, write your name.
Ma'am, page number?
D57, the one I'm showing you here. D57 CT worksheet, okay? Okay, who is going to help me with the date today? What is the date today?
21.
21. How do we write 21, children? How do we write 21?
21.
Very good, 2121. Okay, and what is yesterday? What is yesterday?
20.
20. And what is tomorrow?
20.
What is tomorrow? Tomorrow.
22.
22. Okay.
52, ma'am.
22. Okay.
4.
And what is today? Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Third Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. Date is 21. And where is my September? Fell down somewhere. Okay, 21/9/21. So please write your name in the worksheet. Please mark today's date as 21.9.21. Everybody wrote your name, date. Did you all find out the sheet? Anybody who hasn't found out the sheet?
Madam, it is 52, right?
57, sir.
57.
You'll have a crossword puzzle kind of box in it, and you'll have the pictures of animals below.
Because I'm doing this for the first time.
Okay. Can you see? Can you see the screen which I'm showing you, sir? Devarakshita, did you find the worksheet, Devarakshita? Wrote your name, date, Iron, Janavi, Farnas, everybody? Okay, first one. Okay, Aiden, did you find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janavi, good. Okay, meanwhile, let me call Pranita. Did you find out Pranita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Pranita, tell me what is this first animal, Pranita?
Goat.
Goat. What is spelling for goat?
G-O-A-T. Goat.
Now in this box, find out the G which is dark black. Which is dark black in color. Where is the goat? Where is the G which is dark black? Dark black.
Ma'am.
You found out?
Yes.
Now using the scale, G-O-A-T, draw a small box like this. G-O-A-T, goat. So we are going to find and circle the domestic animals here. Okay, okay, Pranita. I got you. Prajesh.
C-O-W.
Cow. C-O-W.
C.
Mm.
C-O.
Mm.
C-O.
Mm.
W.
Cow. Find out where. Yeah, find out where is dark C, black color, black C, black color, big black color C. You found out? Okay, come on.
This.
You found out. Okay, draw a line using a scale. Draw a line. C-O-W. Put a box. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next domestic animal, Janavi?
Pig.
Pig. What is spelling for pig?
P-I-G. Pig.
Okay, find out where there is dark black color P. P-I-G, pig.
P-I-G. Pig.
Danvin?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next one, dear?
Turkey.
Turkey. What is spelling for turkey? Mm. Mm. Mm.
T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey.
Turkey. Did you find turkey? Come on, find where is. Yeah, you found out. I haven't found out yet. I'm just finding it out. I found out there is a black T here. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Danvin, is turkey a domestic animal or a wild animal?
Domestic animal.
Can we have turkey in our house?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Are you planning to have?
Actually, he wanted to have hamster in our house, ma'am. He'll
Oh,
always
hamster. Okay, you have to get a cage for hamster, or else it will come and bite your notebooks. Okay, next, Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next one?
Sheep.
Sheep. What is spelling for sheep? Very good. Did you find? Very good, Debbie. Did you find out sheep? No.
Fine.
See, here it is.
Look at the screen.
You will have, yes, dark black colored is written. That's the clue. Using that we can. You found out? Good. Okay. Irene, where is your worksheet, Irene? You finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Kavya, you take the pencil out of your mouth, dear.
Vihan.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vihan, can you just read all the domestic animals here? Read out G.
Pig,
Ah,
turtle,
turkey.
turkey,
Ah,
sheep,
Sheep.
sheep.
Sheep. Okay, everybody finish the worksheet? Done? Yes. Please keep your worksheets down. Please keep your worksheets down. Okay, so we are going to sing our rhyme. What is a rhyme? New rhyme.
pencil,
Pencil rhyme. Yes, we are going to sing the pencil rhyme. Okay, we started with pencil rhyme yesterday. So we are going to sing that. Let me ask absentees of yesterday. Vishank, please unmute Vishank. Have you finished circling?
no, ma'am.
Not yet. Okay, let's start the rhyme. We can do it later then. Come on. I like my pencil. Vishank, come on. I like my pencil. Only Vishank. Others, I want all of you to stay on mute, please. Vishank, I like my pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh.
I like the pencil.
I like my pencil, but it's blunt.
But it's blunt.
Sharpen with the sharpener.
Sharpen with the sharpener.
Now it's sharp.
Now it's sharp.
Now it's not blunt.
Now it's not blunt.
Thank you,
I
Vishank.
like
Okay,
the pencil.
now we are going to sing it together. I like my. Please stay on mute, everyone. Thank you so much. Please stay on mute. Okay. I like my pencil. Louder. I like my pencil, but it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Okay. So now we sang the new rhyme. Now we are going to learn a new concept. Okay. Front and back. You all know what is front and back? Front, back. Let me show you something I have nearby. Okay. Can you see this? This is a flower. Okay. Flower drawing. This is front. This is back. Can you all stand up? Can you all stand up? Please stand up. Let me see all your front. This is front. Front. Back, you're going to turn back. Back. Okay? When I say back, you're going to turn. Come on, turn. Zedi, Ashni, please turn. Come on, everybody. Irene, come on. Where are you? When I say back, you're going to turn. Okay? When I say front, you're going to send it. Oh, come on, turn. Zedi, turn. Vihan, turn. Everybody. Ready? Aiden, ready? Front. 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 Back. Back. Front.
Front.
Good, Dukshita. Back. 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 Front.
Front.
Front. Front. Back. Back. Zedi. Back. Back. Front.
Front.
front?
Front.
Okay. Now, can I ask anybody who's having anything to show me front and back? Anybody having a bag or something? Yes. You can show me a book also. Let me start with Zadie. Front. You have to show. Say front and show the next one and say back. Okay. Come on, show me the back. Zadie, show me the back. Yes. Front. Front. Good. Good. Okay. Vivan. Can you show me front and back, Vivan?
Okay.
Front and back.
Front.
Front.
Back. Okay. Thank you, Vivan.
Front. Back.
Everybody.
Back.
Everybody. I'll come.
Front. Back. Front.
Thank you, Dhruv. I saw that. Everybody saw that. Okay. Yes, Nishank. Front. Mm. Back. Good. Tejas. Front. Back.
Front. Back.
Rajesh.
Back.
Aiden. Playden, I request you to stay on mute. Aiden, Dhruv, why are you people unmuting? I didn't call your name.
Front. Back.
Dhruv, I'll come to you when you get your chance. You can do. Okay, please wait, Dhruv. Yes, Prajesh.
Back.
Front. Okay.
Back.
Back. Okay.
Front.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Nitila.
Front. Front.
Back.
Back. Front.
Okay. Satvika, I'll come to each one of you. Don't have to worry. I'll come to each one of you. Yes, Satvika. Satvika. We are in the classroom, Satvika.
Front.
Nice mini box. Very good. Back. Very good, Satvika. Farnas.
Front. Back.
Back. Good. Siddharth.
Back.
Front. Okay. Okay, Siddharth. Good, Farnas.
Front. Back.
Okay, yeah, back. Good. Janavi.
Back.
Front, back. Okay. Pranita. Unmute, please unmute.
Front. Back.
Very good, Pranita.
Front.
Nukshita. Those who have done, please take out your worksheet, SR D57, empty worksheet and start writing a name and date. I'll be there. Okay? Yes, Nukshita.
It is front.
Okay. What is back?
It is back.
Show me the back. Okay. Good, Nukshita. Aiden. Take out your worksheet, Nukshita. Come on, write your name and date. Aiden. Aiden.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Hashini.
What, ma'am? What
Front.
number?
Day 57. Empty worksheet. Can you show me front and back, Hashini?
Front and back.
Back. Okay. Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Front, back. Front.
Back.
Good. Tarnika. Good, Devkrish.
Front. Back.
Good, Tarnika. Vihan?
Page number, ma'am.
Day 57.
Back.
Good, Vihan. Rohita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Which page number?
No.
Day 57.
Front to back.
Good, Rohita. Dhruv?
Come on.
Dhruv, I already saw. Neha?
Page number, ma'am.
Day 57. Day 57. Empty worksheet.
Ma'am.
Neha, front, back. Anything.
Yes.
Front, back.
Back.
Good. Naitik? I'm coming to you, Kavyayani. Don't worry, I'm coming to you.
Front.
That's front.
Back.
Back. Okay. Thank you, Naitik. Danvin, keep it on, keep it on. Naitik. Oh, Naitik is done. Danvin.
Back. Front. Back.
Okay. Devrakshita.
Ma'am, video is not working.
Okay, no problem, sir. Devrakshita, can you say front, back? Front.
Back.
Kavyayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Front and back.
Good, Kavyani. Thank you. That's very nice. The box is very nice. Irene. Front, back.
Front, back.
Okay. This is the worksheet I was talking about. Did you all find this worksheet which has bag, door, cupboard, or guitar and the shirt? Yes? Have you all found out? Is there anybody who hasn't found out? SR D57 empty worksheet, front and back. So whichever we have front, we are going to color it in blue, and back red. So this one we are going to color it with blue color, blue, and this one with red color, front and back. Okay, front you're going to color it with blue color, and back you're going to color it with red. Sorry, yes, red color. You can just mark it now. You can color it neatly and send it to me later. Okay, just write your name and date in this worksheet, children. You can color this later. Got it? You can color this later and send me. So whatever is in front, you're going to mark it with blue color. You're going to color with blue. Whichever is back, you're going to color it with red color. Yes, everybody, you can color this later. You just write your name and date in the worksheet. I wanted to show you the worksheet and what we're going to do. You can color it later. Done? Can you all keep your worksheets down? Please, we can color it later. I think Danvin is listening me. He kept the worksheet. And what about Naitik, others? Neha, please keep the worksheets down. You can color it later. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to practice cursive letters joining. First, we are going to write in air, and then we are going to write it in our slates. Okay. First letter. What is the first letter in cursive? The alphabet. What is the first alphabet? A. So first we are going to practice how do we write cursive small letter A. We are not going to write capital letters. We are going to write small letters. How do you write small letter A? Come on, let's write in the air. Curved slanting line, and then C, close the C, and then this. I will write it in the slate. We are going to write it in the air together. Your hand will not pain. So we are going to first write in the air. Come on. Neha, please listen, Neha. Come on, keep that down. How do you write cursive small letter A? Curved slanting line. C. Close the C, go up, and then A. So without taking the hand, curved slanting line. C. Close the C, A. This is cursive small a. We are going to write that in air. Ready? First, let's all do a circle in air. Come on. Let's see how many of you are doing a circle in air. Air means not having anything in the hand. I'm not having anything in the hand. Big circle. Come on, big circle. Okay, big one. Big one. One. Okay, big.
Ma'am, I cannot hear to class, ma'am.
That's what I was calling you. She didn't answer me. Big sleeping line. Big sleeping line. Okay. Big slanting line. Slanting line. This side, big slanting line. Okay. So now we are going to write cursive A, small a. Come on, Rohita, we will write together. Come on, dear. Curved slanting line. And then don't take your fingers. C. Close the C. And then a small curve. That makes cursive small a. Small alphabet A. Okay. Who is that? Anybody wants to ask something? Now take out your slates. Now take out your slates. Do you all have your slates ready? Yes. We are going to write few letters today. Joining those letters. Okay. Okay. First one, we are going to write A and E. How do we write A and E together? First, let's all write A. Curved slanting line. C. Close the C and then a curve. Till you write A, you should not take your hand. That's cursive. Okay? Don't write like this. No. Without taking your hand, complete A. Curved slanting line. C. Close the C and then A. Everybody please. Yes, Pranita has written A and she has shown me. What about others? Let me come and see one by one. Zaidi, where is your chalk piece? Get the chalk piece from your mom. Vivan done? Wow, Vivan has written A. Very good. Vishank, where are you? Vishank, Prajesh. Wrote A, Prajesh?
Vishank has gone to the restroom.
Okay. Okay. Nitila? A. Good. Satvika? Good. Notebook. Okay. Farnas? Writing. Okay. Siddharth? Wow, Siddharth. You wrote A and E. Okay. Janavi? Good. Janavi, try using the slate or else try using the 4-line notebook, not this one. Okay. Use slate or 4-line, not this one. Janavi. Okay. Okay, nice, Rohita. Good. Pranita, I saw Pranita. Nukshita? Good, Nukshita. Dhruv? Good, Dhruv. Very good. Okay, now we are going to write E, joining it with E. Okay. So, extend the slanting line. Touch the, yes, Devrish. Touch the blue line and then write E. With A, you have written a curve, right? Extend that curve, go touch the blue line, slanting line. Then write backward bend and write E. Come on, everybody, please write A, E and show me. Aiden, are you writing?
Hey, 9.
No, you have written.
Yeah, Vivan. Perfect, Vivan.
It's perfect.
Yes, Harshini, show me.
Auntie.
Good, Harshini. Yes.
Time.
എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് തുടങ്ങും.
Good, Danvin.
Ma'am, one more time.
Yes, I'll give you one more time, Prajesh. Did you write A, Prajesh? Did you write A?
Yes.
Okay, now extend that curve.
ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ
I can see that, Aiden. E, make sure the E touches both the blue line. Aiden, okay?
Not.
Good, Pranita. Pranita, good, Pranita. Prajesh, okay, give me a minute. Prajesh, come on, Prajesh. Extend this line, go touch the blue line. I will come and see rest of the people. Let me just check with Prajesh and come back to you. Others, please stay on mute, please. Prajesh, did you extend this line? Did you touch the blue line?
Okay.
Show me, Prajesh, what have you written? Wow, wonderful, Prajesh. Very nice. Pranita, it looks perfect, Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Okay, now I'm coming to Tarnika. Did you write Tarnika? AE. Oh, very nice, Tarnika. Vihan, good print, Tarnika. Vihan. Good, Vihan.
Thank you,
Rohita.
ma'am.
Good, Aiden. Rohita, did you write AE? Dhruv? Okay. Dhruv, just make sure that E touches both the line and you're extending it down like this. Okay? Naitik, Neha. Okay, Neha, what about E? Not clear? Pranita, can you put your mic on mute, Pranita, please? Neha, come on, we'll write together. Come on, extend the line. Go touch this line. No, did you extend this A line? Write C. Extend it. C மாதிரி எழுதணும். ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன்ல C மாதிரி எழுது. C மாதிரி C அப்படி எழுதுவோம். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எழுப்போம்ல. C மாதிரி. Rub it and write. No, that's not correct. Slanting line. First write A, Neha. Come on, write A and show me. Come on, write A. A. Don't take your hand. Trace on the same line. See. Is that the way you're writing A? No. Neha, come on. Slanting line. C. Close the C. Then a curve. Very good, Rohita. It looks perfect, Rohita. Okay, without your mother's hand. Come on, without holding your mother's hand. Neha. Come on, write A and show me. Slanting line. C. No. Neha, inge paru. Neha. C. And the line layer trace. Perfect. Close the C. No, not from there. கீழேந்து மேல போய் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணணும். also see from the down. Neha, see, look at ma'am. See, I'm closing it from down to up. Then put a curve. Put a curve. Okay, now touch the curve to the blue line. Touch the curve, extend the curve, touch the blue line. Now write again C. Now write C again. Good, Dhruv. You corrected it. It's nice, Dhruv. You're welcome. Good, Nitila. Devkrish. Good, Devkrish. Very nice. You're using a line. Very nice. Dhanvin. Zedi. Wow, Dhanvin. Stunning. Very good. Zedi.
Lada, ma'am.
Yeah, Farnas, show me. Good, Farnas. Perfect. It touches the blue line. Very nice. Did you all write this? AE. Similarly, AR. Curved slanting line A. And then extend this line and write R. AR. Good, Siddharth. You did the AR. Okay. Finished. Okay, Zedi. Good, Zedi. Perfect. It is touching the blue line. Vishank. Good, Vishank. You need any help, Hasini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write AE?
AE முடிச்சிட்டேன் ma'am.
Okay, come on, we'll write AR.
Yeah.
First write A and come on, write A and show me. A and show me.
Kami.
Okay. Now extend the line, touch the blue line.
That's the blue line. எழுது. That's the.
Ma'am, Neha போட்டா ma'am. நான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணல அவளே தான் போட்டா.
Very good, Neha. Perfect. It looks very perfect. Good, Neha. Okay. Now Hashini. Backward bend, sleeping line.
Backward bend, sleeping line.
Now one and then curve. That's it.
Yes.
Wow, that's it, Hashini. That's the trick. Very good. Okay, what about rest of the people? Naitik, did you write AR? Good, Kavyayani. AE. Come on, write AR, Kavyayani. Dhanvin, I saw AR. Good, Dhanvin. I can see that. I saw.
Ma'am, can you repeat AR, ma'am?
Yes, I will do. Write A and show me, Zedi. Write A and show me. Sit properly. Sit, relax, Zedi, so that you can concentrate. Sit down, sir. Zedi, sit properly. Yes. A. Okay. Now touch the blue line. Those who have finished AR showed me. You can leave the class. The class over for today. We'll meet you tomorrow on Wednesday. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Yeah, Devkrish. Thank you. Bye-bye. I saw the notebook, Naitik. Good, Naitik.
Bye, ma'am.
Devkrish, wonderful Devkrish. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, Dhanvin. Take care. Bye, Nitila. Good, Nitila. It looks good. Dhruv, wonderful, Dhruv. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tarvika, good, Tarvika.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Tarvika. Bye, Pranav. Bye, Pranita. Oh, Vihan, you wrote Vihan? Good, Vihan. Give me a minute, Zedi, okay?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Kavyani, that's not correct. Just wait. Give me a minute. Wait. Bye, Rohita. Okay, come on.